What is going on, guys? Welcome to Greggles TV Daily. Let's get into the tech news. We've got two stories today, so let's get into them. The first story is about Google Nest. Now, Google Nest, as you know, or if you didn't know, is smart home products from Google. It's their Nest brand. And tomorrow, aka Monday, they put out a tweet for today saying, take a deep breath and prepare. Something special is coming this Monday, which is aka tomorrow. And we should be seeing new hardware, at the very least, a new Google Home. We've seen that in the last few days, a picture of it. So at least that. And I assume other stuff as well. I'm not totally sure exactly what we could see. Maybe an updated Google Nest. They haven't released one of those in a while. I can't imagine they're gonna update the doorbell yet, or I don't know. I'm excited though. I have Google Homes all throughout my house. That's the thing that I use the most in terms of my smart home assistant. And then I have their Nest cameras all throughout my house. I have, well, I think that's it for Nest product. Oh, I have the Nest thermostat as well. A Nest fire thingy, you know, to tell me if there's a fire issue, whatever, you know, I can't even think what it's called. But anyways, yeah, hopefully they release some cool new products that we can get. What do you guys think they're gonna release? Let me know in the comment down below. And the last story of the day about the Samsung Galaxy Note 20, Note 20 Ultra, and the price that it potentially could be. Now, this tweet comes from Sam Chun, who says a Vietnamese retailer just showed up the Galaxy Note 20 4G and Note 20 Ultra 5G price. Note 20 4G price is going to be about $1,000. Remember, this is a conversion from Vietnamese dollars. And the Note 20 Ultra 5G is going to be $1,300, same as the S20 Ultra price. Now, if you think about this for a second, you're probably going to say, well, here in America, it's $13.99 and $15.99, and someone brings that up in the comments actually, and he goes on to say that actually Galaxy flagships in Vietnam are actually cheaper than the US by about $100. If this comes out to be true, you're looking at least the base versions anyway of the Galaxy Note 20, Note 20 Ultra being $1,000 and $13.99 here in America. And then maybe if they come out with a larger version in terms of gigabytes and stuff, it's probably gonna also be about $15.99. And that's kind of what I've been thinking. I've been saying I thought it was gonna be $12.99 and $14.99, and maybe it still will be, but it looks like it's gonna be about the same price as, where's my phone? Right here, my Galaxy S20 Ultra. This is a $15.99 version, extremely expensive. But yeah, it looks like it's gonna be in that $13.99 to $1,000 price range for both phones. But ultimately, it's still gonna be very, very expensive. At that point, your question of the day is, with these prices, if they stick, $1,000 for the Note 20, $13.99 for the Note 20 Ultra, are you gonna buy it? Let me know in the comments down below. I still plan on purchasing it. But ultimately, if I had to choose between the two, I'd probably still choose the Fold. But again, as we talked about yesterday, the Fold's probably not going to be out until later this year. Thanks for watching. See you down the road. Peace.